bro. Yo, we gotta call a plumber.
You break it? I got
It feels like summer. Yeah. Ooh. It feels like summer. Yeah.
Hey, fat fella, what are you doing? What is that?
Huh?
What is that? This is not breakfast. Oh, God.
What are you doing?
And I get sick, bro.
What you talking
This
about?
is not cornflakes. Watch out. This, oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Breakfast. Cornflakes. Protein good for everybody. All get their body.
Come on, bro.
Carnation milk not only for Haitian. Look. And before you make breakfast, you don't put milk first. You put cornflakes, then milk. Look at me right now how I do it.
Seriously?
Yeah,
This was all it's about.
seriously.
Because I put the milk first.
Yes.
Bro, you put milk first, then cornflakes.
Cornflakes, then milk.
Okay.
Eat that. This should be enough for you.
Bro, what is this?
Get a spoon. Don't fuck around with the. Don't use the fork because it doesn't fuck around. Use the spoon. Scoop it up. Breakfast. Good to go. Avant aller. La fille veut clean sauter ça là tout.